What's up, folks? These intros are getting absolutely ridiculous. Welcome back to another video from Mac Auto Diagnostics. For today's video, we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Eclipse Spyder GS 2.4 liter, I believe, front wheel drive. The anime. What in the Need for Speed? This is my younger brother's car. It's got the spoiler. As you can see, he is a major fan of Naruto. I like anime too. It's pretty good. Some of them, not all of them. Some of them, pretty good. Anyway, it's got a case of some bad cats. Catalytic converters are junk, and it's so bad due to oil leaking through the spark plug tubes into the cylinders, and it's burning it, and it ruined the catalytic converters. And it's got the P0420, or you know, that stuff, and it's so clogged that when you accelerate hard, at least this is my theory, when you accelerate hard, it goes like a hissing sound, and it won't go above a certain speed. Now also with the transmission fluid, he's neglected this vehicle so bad that the transmission fluid has turned brown or black, one of those. So I don't know, we're gonna see if we can bring this thing back to life. He's in good hands though. You bring it to Mac Auto Diagnostics, you know I'm gonna get that thing running. Stop playing with him. Anyway, so far these bolts came loose. I'm actually pretty shocked. We'll see if those lower ones come loose. Those are the ones I'm mainly worried about, but we'll see. So far so good. A little too good. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. So let's get a quick look at these bolts. And as you can see, they don't look too happy. Like I said, I'm not surprised. Look at that one. We'll give it a shot. See what happens. Right now, I'm just working these O2 sensors loose. I had these off recently, so these should come off no problem. So let me finish getting this off and we'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna heat it up with my mixtape, because I do be spitting that fire, as they say. That's what the young generation says anyway. And give it a shot with the impact. Try the impact first. We'll be right back. So that worked. Hitting it with the impact. This Cobalt 3/8 impact. Hey, been using it for years and years in the shop, and hey, no complaints. This thing is a beast. And been using these, not a sponsor by the way, Sedy, S-E-D-Y brand impact sockets. The full set is right here. Got them from Scamazon. Hey, I've been using these things hardcore, and I mean abusing them, and no complaints. These bad boys are best sockets you can get for the money. Sedy, sponsor me. Alright folks, let's get the rest of these nasty looking bolts out. I don't think a regular impact socket's gonna work on the rest of them, but we'll see. Let's get them out, and we'll be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have the new catalytic converter installed. It was the cheapest, almost the cheapest we could find on Scamazon. It didn't fit perfectly, but I managed to get it on there. The bolts all the way on the bottom underneath the car sucked to get off. But I got them off. If you are not a professional and you're thinking about DIYing it, you may want to reconsider if you're in the Rust Belt, because it can get pretty rough dealing with exhaust components, especially in the Rust Belt. But I've got the valve cover off now. I'm doing spark plug tube seals and the valve cover gasket to stop the oil from getting inside the spark plug hole. So I didn't eat nothing. I've been working on this car for maybe 4 or 5 hours now. Yeah, bolts were breaking off in the block and everything, but hey, what else is new? It's nighttime now. It's only like 7 o'clock though, so almost done. Let's keep it pushing. Be right back.